Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you all ways to check your IMEI number on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Firstly, the first way to do that is just to open the phone application, then click keypad and enter asterisk #06#. In this way, you will see your IMEI number 1 and IMEI number 2. If you have only one IMEI number, it means that you have a USA version of the iPhone, which have only eSIMs. Okay, cool. Then the second way to do that is to open Settings application. Then scroll a bit down, find General. Here find About. Afterwards, scroll a bit down, and here we'll see IMEI number 1 and IMEI number 2. That's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. So bye. See you.